started. Nice. லைட்டா லைவ் போட்டுட்டு இருக்கேன்பா. யா okay, let's do things. As well as yeah. okay, I'm working on a project. Is in like IoT interface. If you heard of the IoT devices, I am using. I am building right now to create. So this is the application so far. So it's a dashboard of that application, and here you can communicate with this kind of microcontroller which we have right now, like have the capability to connect to the internet, and they can able to communicate to this application which I'm currently building right now. So this far I created the feature of adding device using QR code and sending the Wi-Fi credential without hard coding the Wi-Fi credential into the device, and controlling it by their properties. If they have a brightness or any properties which they had a standard, and they can create their own property with this thing also, and with the coding of this microcontroller, and they can power on and power off this microcontroller. If you heard of IoT, you're pretty familiar with the GPIO pins. They can able to have a general purpose input output pin. With our programming, we can we control a lot of actuators and sensors, control and read data from sensor. So that's all can able to like for example, if you are going to see live data, like for example temperature sensor, you can see it in this like black box of display. So it would be nice, right? Yeah, using a Raspberry Pi Pico W2 I'm using right now. It's a microcontroller. So I just using that for the purpose of testing this application. I will show the little small test which I implemented already. The only part in this application for now connected to the device is two part. One is this status, and another one is creating this device by this BLE method. So and now today I'm going to connect this power button and slider and this live data box to communicate to this device. Okay, here I have, you can see I have the firmware, and then it's a micro Python, and I'm just going to select things, select my board. Yeah, here I have my board. So okay, I kindly request you to notice this test device 1. If I run this program after it connected to the internet, you can notice it will go to offline from online. See this part. Yeah, you can see, right? So it went simultaneously when it connected to the what I can say, connected to the internet. So that's the only thing which I did implemented here. And another one feature is sharing the Wi-Fi credential without hard coding it. So now I hard coded my Wi-Fi credential here, you can see. So I have hard coded my Wi-Fi password here. So if you are giving to this device to some person that don't know coding and they don't have access to computers, how you update your Wi-Fi password? Like I create this device at my home, and I hard coded my Wi-Fi credential, and I can't able to use it apart from my home, right? So we need to have that ability to change the Wi-Fi. So I created this feature. Okay, every microcontroller, whichever the microcontroller has ability to connect to internet via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, can able to work with this interface. The microcontroller doesn't matter here. Any microcontroller is the key here. Yeah, I am also ESP32 user. I have two project which I in my home right now for very cool projects here to turn on my computer from anywhere in the world, and to control my light lamp. So why ESP32 is easy means it's not easy, it's all same. but it is cost efficient and it is so less cost compared to other microcontroller available in this. Today I had a chance to work with this microcontroller, which is C34, I think, 3400 microcontroller. I am spelling it right or wrong, I do not know, but it's around 15,000. A simple microcontroller costs 15,000, so it's not. No, 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 no. So Texas. So likewise, and also we have STM32. So it's all costly compared to here it is. Here we have STM32. It's all so costly. So only we say thing is easy. So here it is. You see, 2,480. When it comes to ESP32, it is around within 500 rupees. So that's why we are saying it's so easy and familiar. Other than that, only cost wise, it has a great capability. ESP32. So yeah, here I say that Energia. I got the name Energia. So it's Energia is the board which supported board. Images. Here I say this board cost around 15,000 rupees. Just it's a microcontroller. It cost around 15,000 rupees. I don't know why is that much costly, but I asked to the train. My instructor today. He said it can have encryption standard by itself without having any firmware and stuff and all, like AES, DES, some encryption algorithm he told. I did forgot. So yeah, I was awestruck by this price amount. A lot of things. Yeah, recently I had a chance to do work with that devices all. So pretty much my full aim to connect to the internet without it's like for ESP you need to use this application, for Raspberry Pi you need to use this application. So I am trying to build a universal application which has ability to connect to the internet. Yo chat, yo yo brother. So that's the thing. So today my task to be I did this online offline thing, right? Right now you can see that it changed to online, so I need to do it. Damn, device these days are expensive. Yeah, device is a little bit expensive nowadays. 500 is also the money we have to pay, but a lot of error things also happen nowadays. I bought around 5 ESP boards, 2 were damaged. Hey Rubel, see, nice to meet you again. So that's it. Yeah, today part I'm going to code my today part. How are you doing? Very great. How about you? So today's task to be connect this power on and off button here. So beforehand I need to test this feature realistically. So I am going to code that firmware now. So like so for the I decided to have a topics like with the properties name, which I have a properties in the device car. Sorry, properties. The first property which is toggle. So if that property contains the UA elements of toggle, it has to be. So the topic which see, I built better version for you to turn on and off the power without servo. You are telling about my project which I explained this Saturday, right? I think. Okay, explain. No worries, explain. You fine. I thought your final chat when I completed my live is you can't able to find the discard, right? It's just below the description. If you read the description, you can go to build it. Just building the app. Oh, nice, very nice. If you are, if you can have, you know what I'm saying. Discord, join in the Discord. We can able to do voice chat and also in general chat. So it's link in description for this server. So please show. I am so excited, and I did implemented it with a lot of not in a professional way, but I finally implemented it. Today I executed that project application from my college. I turned on my PC and work in the PC and turned off it again. And yeah, pretty much I have few other options to touch a motherboard, and we have the power short button, right? You can give it to the relay and it automatically short to thing, and we can able to turn on the PC. That's one of the other way we can do it without using servo. And another one way is creating the power box and turn on the feature, like when power comes you need to turn on the PC in the in the computer. So that's another one feature I think we can do, but I can't able to access my BIOS right now. Update my BIOS right now because of the CMOS battery, and I kind of afraid to touch the motherboard of my computer because if it get something damaged, I can't. I'm not in the place to fixing things. Yeah, keep doing. Python is nice for learning. Learn the concept, not the language oriented thing. If you take API, what is REST, learn about the protocol, HTTP protocol and stuff and all. Yeah, that's why I'm telling this is the recommendations. Learn the concepts, not the language oriented. The thing is common for every language. I'm using PHP. So the HTTP response and request and response is common for every languages. In API, like methods, HTTP methods like put, delete, get, post. It's all common for every languages, but the syntax is different. So first focus on the concept, and then move on to the language and learn the particular language syntax. Yeah, that's what my recommendation. Anything would be nice if you learn concept, not that, not this. That's not specific. Okay, today I have to implement the toggle button. Hello there, hi. Nice to meet you again as in a new week. I think tomorrow I won't come live, I think, because I don't know about tomorrow, because I'm going to see a doctor. So I don't know how the timing will match. And if I came home early, I will definitely do live. Otherwise, you can't, actually. So today's in Frontend bot, overall the controller thing will be going to complete. for live data, I have decided to have live data in this display, like one by one, it goes up that way, but not focusing on the UA right now. I am going to focus on the things that taking the data from the controller to the front end, device to device means the node to the front end, and this power button, when we on, we can trigger anything and code anything for that. And then the slider, now I have a standard type of brightness slider, one you mentioned, but the advantage is that it can turn on any AC device like cooler, fan. Yeah, of course, I know that. But very well, you think of my problem and do it in your own. I'm so happy that you did that. Now I have one relay controlled switch box. I call it a smart switch box. In my in my Google Home, it called like that, and it have the capability to turn off and turn on my any device which is connected to that switch box. So now I can connected with the microcontroller there. So overall, the UI part which I imagined was completed. Now I need to interconnect it and make and architect the part where you know how it's going to be subscribed and how we are going to receive things. So that's the only thing we have to do right now. Okay, we are going to then subscribe to the another one line. We will do it. Copy. So it's all for the testing purpose right now. So this actually this device doesn't have any properties at hand, so we need to edit that properties. So I'll be there, and also I am moving into the hectic week. We are our college arranging some new workshop. So I am one of the manage means I'm not a manager. It's something called volunteer, not actually a volunteer, organizer for that 5 days workshop. Organizer, no, we can't say that too. I did not get that name, but I'm taking part in some basic part there. So, and also I have to do project for that too also. Hectic, but still I come to life. The workshop is about Java for the backend and Flutter for frontend, and they are going to teach us about how to develop a web, not a web actually. How to they are more focused on app development for this workshop, around 5 day workshop. So yeah, our alumni, one of our alumni is that head of the workshop. He's the main organizer, because he's the resource person for this thing. Okay, let I need to add this thing. Okay. Yeah, nice. Things are going to be hectic, and also today is the completion of offline internship and training completion day, and I completed that and came right after from college, and I have to continue in online around 3 weeks next. Going to my aunt ENT doctor. Okay, take care, buddy. Go. If you want to connect after this live, or you need to speak, join in Discord, and it would be nice. Oh, you are already, yeah. Nice. Okay, I am getting stuff. Some error is popped up now. No error, but no UA. Why is that? Okay, we hear that. That's not reloaded page. Okay, so we are going to write an image. You're going to subscribe to the toggle. Oh, it's publishing. Then it's not needed right now. So we need subscribing thing right now to check we getting the things or not. So how we are going to subscribe? So subscribing thing is welcome 8. Okay. So I don't know how to subscribe. Where is the syntax for that? I don't have right now, but you can talk at Google. Python. What library I'm using? UMQTT. That's simple. Subscribing. So what are the parameters you need? That stuff. No, it's a callback. Set callback sub cb. Oh, right. So it's a callback. Then we will connect to it, and then we are subscribing to it. Nice. We need callback function. We already have everything. Yep, here it is. Before connection, we have to do that. So find dot set callback. This is syntax. We'll copy it for a second. Right. For a second, it will be that. We will call it toggle. Toggle is the callback. Then after connection, new bouquet. Okay, I am doing IoT interface for IoT applications. If you have any IoT devices and you can program, and it can have the capability to connect to the internet and things. Like things means it's actually a sensor and stuff and all. And I'm creating an interface to control, access, and configure things. So that's what I am doing right now, and I come some far. So right now I am building the feature for this application to communicate with the interface to direct to the device using MQTT protocol. That's what I'm implementing right now. If you want to know more any tech stacks, read description. If you want to know more about this project and stuff, and join in Discord, link in description, and you can able to chat with me, and there's a lot of good-minded people are there. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm for testing purpose I'm creating what did I say? I need to test that features, right? So I am building one firmware for this microcontroller Raspberry Pi to test things. it has the capability to control connect to the Wi-Fi and stuff. So now I already implemented that one feature, which is this is that device which I programmed, and if I run this, I got error because I'm in the middle of coding right now. Okay, let's wait and do complete coding. I will show the demo. So this is the topic to subscribe. Okay. After connection, we have to subscribe to this thing. Client.wait underscore blank wait for a message, non-blocking check for a message. It's good thing to learn about. Nice. Thank you. So our topic is going to be this. We need to subscribe to this topic actually, and we given that. Okay, we will and message. It's for different purpose. Okay, after connection we are subscribing. Then we need to handle incoming messages, right? Okay, while true, I need to learn this two methods, that blocking wait for a message, non-blocking check for a message. Blocks until a message is received on any subscribed topic. The callback function will be executed when a message arrives. Non-blocking check for incoming message. If a message is available, the callback is executed. Otherwise, it will run immediately. Provide a delay, prevent the loop from consuming excessive CPU resources. Nice. We will go with this because we now need to go with anything right now. We already have a 10-second frame here. Checking something like, okay, I think now it's all good. We can check this device subscribing thing. So that's why connected to Wi-Fi, device is alive. Okay, there's no error so far. Okay, we will check with MQ, the mosquito, localhost, not a sub, right? So we need to publish to test the firmware. Hub MOSQITT. Wait a second. So laggy today. Yeah, we have things. So we don't need things this way. I will use AI when I need it. Otherwise I will not use AI, because I definitely use AI, because for this project AI is my project architect. Kind of way it is. I given an idea and it give me the agile sprint, how in each week what I need to build and things. So that's the thing. If I use AI, it's a 1 second, man. I just don't want to do it right now. If I need it, I will definitely do it. Right here I am using AI. Here it is a AI. I search, the AI will bring the result and I use that code. I code the entire thing. Why you even wasting time? Yeah, it feels like wasting time, but I just learning. I use AI. Don't worry. See, I will show to you how much I use AI. I am using AI a lot, but today I am not feel like to use it because okay. I am using AI daily. I will use AI, man. Don't worry. Uh, Here is that project. Yeah, this page didn't even load. If you can't learn to use AI on 10%, you are behind most Indians. True, true. I accept, totally accept. HH, I totally accept. You see, I use AI. This all thing for this project only. But the thing is, today just testing things. Yeah. Dot code or cursor or other CLIs. I will try. I use Claude for most of the backend PHP code. I love building this way by reading documentation and doing things. Also, I will like using AI. I have to know what AI giving, right? Sometimes I didn't even believe AI. Okay, this is the syntax. Which host the topic and the message. Okay, I am testing right now. To receive that message is there or not. Host is there. Topics. The topic I'm going to publish is device slash the topic is from here. This is the topic. Yeah, true. I need to learn English very well and get a very well and good. Yeah, I'm published now and I'm going to check it out in the. So I got an error. So we need to say why is that error is because of line 213. Check underscore message. Yeah, I get it, man. Yeah. What we can do? English is with the help of English. You are watching me. I am talking to you. So that's also a good thing, right? On language, have the capability to connect all the peoples. Human beings are all around the world. It's nice. So I'm getting an error actually. It's connected and I am going to publish the message again. I didn't even receive the message. So why is the problem? I didn't receive. Nice. Okay, see, this is how it will happen. Now I'm going to give the off message. Did I get it? I get it. Now on. So this message will going to pass from the front end in a web to the back end to turn on and off the device we currently using, right? And for this, our property is a boolean actually. No, and also one of the reason I didn't use a completely is for myself also. I am also in a placement right now, placement thing. I'm attending a lot of drives and stuff in our college. So what is that happening me? What it is really important though to know stuff, because now the AI didn't replace everyone. Currently, they ask the knowledge which human being have inside in their brain. So it helped me a lot to answer them. It's my project, right? It's not a project, so I need to know how, and also I need to know how to answer the question come from them. So our power is a boolean data type, so it will receive boolean. Okay, so true or false is then the nice. I'm receiving in a great wave, but I need to see. I didn't have any thing here, so we need to check other internal LED light. Dash by echo W2 internal LED pin number. Yeah, 40 minutes were went on. Nice. So I have a short break. No. Nice to meet HH. Nice. You, my fan make me scared. It's like wobbling a lot today. My fan make me scared. Cutout is connected to the internal pin WE GPU0, which is not a standard GPU pin. To control it, you can use LED instead of numerical pin number. Okay. So when what did happen means the callback will happen, right? So if for now it would be on. Forgot the I am in that program. I think it's pin number 2. Okay, you have to give it this way up. We need to give it in a string. Let me try again. Yeah, nice, it will work. And now we are going to give that on message. A dead on, or I cast and the other. Nope. It didn't turn on. Getting that. Feels light. So late. and I can't turn on my light. Turning on, right? This is not working. Short break is over, I think. Yeah. Blinking. Not blinking actually. Oh, it's not turning off. Why is that? Why is that? Oh, turned off. Only the message received. Oh. It takes a lot of delay. Why is that happening? We don't need delay. Not project. That's what the place we are. Using a lot of delay. nice today. I'm gonna complete my live session today. It's around 1 hour. Thank you all guys for watching. See you tomorrow if I came back from hospital very early. Otherwise, I hope I will came back early and do live again tomorrow. So see you guys. See you tomorrow. I am doing daily live, so go check out the watch and continue on my progress, how far I came each and every day. Check it out, the Discord, and you can contact and connect with me there. I love Discord because that's the only purpose I'm using to connect with people, and there's no other distractions there. So that's why I say that. Yeah. So far I came today is kind of little things. So just I commit today's thing. Okay, see you everybody.